final project of building virtual environment subject. I have built a Unity game, and with version 2021.3, and this is my game where our player has to save the heroine, the another player, it's not a player, another game object. So he has to save it by finding out, not by eating 10 bananas. I'll show you. Yeah, by eating 10 bananas. We have 10 objects, right? 10 bananas, and we have to kill 10 enemies. 9 are here enemies, and one final enemy. One final enemy is slime. Slime BPR is our final enemy. Starting point is here, so he will go here, there, here, and finally he will come here, and our queen and big final enemy are here. So he has to reach our heroine. Okay, so only then it is considered as game finished. Not that alone, he has to, on the way he has 10 bananas, so he has to find the 10 bananas and he has to eat the 10 bananas. 10 bar 10 has to come, and 10 enemies are there, 9 plus 1, so he have to kill them. And controls, or I have starter assets. So I also have for gamepad as well, like left stick, joystick. Okay, gamepad as well. I have the keys, and also attack is Z button. So fast moving, running is left trigger, jumping is space bar, and then movements we always have the left right pointers, right? So the same thing, so that is our control movements input. Okay, we have an animation. This is queen animation, I guess. So I'll show you my animations. So right now we are in queen animation. I have kept this animation part for this queen on queen will be in dizzy state. So if I need to show you that, this is the queen dizzy status. So this is the queen will do this animation while she is standing. So if you see, so the motion is that I have kept it. So that is our queen animation. Next we have whom we have hero. Queen animation is a slime. Slime is nothing but another that big villain, right? That villain will be doing all these animations, like I'll play and show you, like these animations he will be doing. He will be sleeping and doing things by standing there itself. He will be doing all those stuffs. So these are the animations for him. And we have our hero animations. He will be walking, idle walk. See, he will be walking. This is walk, right? Yeah, this is walk. So he will be running, Control Z. And also one more thing, those are the animations. Still animation, I'll have one more thing I'll tell you. Starter kit I have. So in that starter kit I have made some changes to my animation. Third person character animations, starter animation. So in this, if you see, motion I have kept it too high so that he will be moving so faster. Can you see he's moving so fast? Slow. So this is a character animation. Motion speed is default values I have kept to. So and these are the sound effects for walking for him. And yeah, so my female character, male character, and their objects which they have. Anim layer. This is my avatar. I have used humanoid avatars. So yeah, so these are the things I have used. Yeah, these are the things of my squad animal. So next I have shader graphs as well. So for that I have to show you the shader graph. Next part is shader graph. Yeah, you are seeing, right? This is my graph. So yeah, he will be going this. For the current game which I played, I kept all the bananas and enemies within this area so that I will finish it faster. In the future we can keep it anywhere, so he will be moving it together. And this is our animation water which I have made. It's as I didn't go this side, you would not have seen it. Yeah, so yeah, I have to show the shader graph, my shaders. So this is my material water, and these are the textures. I already opened, I guess. Yeah, please open. Water shader is here. Yeah, so see, can you see the water is, oh yeah, oh god, wait, yeah, these are the shader graph. Like what we are doing scene depth for the water depthness, tiling and offset, sample textures, layer noises for the waves, gradient noises, and we have used time as well, so that our final output will be like this. On the bottom right you're seeing, right, blue color waves being above, being waved. Yeah, so in our scene right now it is a static, right? So we can't see in our scene. Yeah, that is our scene. Apart from that, what I have trees, mountains, terrains. See, all are good shape. So next what we will see, I'll show you my characters. This is our female character. Yeah, this is our female character. She will be doing the dizzy animation. This is a big enemy. All are box colliding, that's why the box colliding. And not just box colliding, he has to press EZ. That is how I have coded. I'll just show now itself. Yeah, see, enemy destroy enemy will make his action is equal to true. If it is player, his action is true. So on his action I'll get attack. If it is true only, I'll make my object destroyed, I mean disappear, and I will increment my enemy counter to 2. What this is, get helper file is our player file. Helper file is our player file. So in player file I have enemy count, banana count, is attacked is nothing but I'm making it true when he presses action key. Z key is, if Z key is pressed, that time it gets invoked. So here is attacked helper file, you see. So yeah, for fastness I have changed in this third person controller file. Yeah, here I have attack, kept attack, right? Updating is attack. So in this attack, what I will do, if he press jump input, if he press input of attack, I have showed the input, right? In our file I have shown you the input attack. So attack, if he press attack on input, I will make attack boolean to true. Okay, and yeah, that is for animation. So this is animation. Okay, this is for animation. And also I'm making a hf helper file dot set attack. I'm making that boolean which I shown you. That attack I am making it true. Set attack. Okay, set attack I am making it true too. So once he is inside the enemy object, our player is inside our enemy object, this variable is set to true here. Once he is inside, on triggering enter. So after that, if he presses E key, that time we will destroy the object and increment the enemy count as done. Okay, so this is what all the enemies, and also for our final big enemy as well, the same code. And for queen it's it's different. For queen we don't have this another if condition. If he enters itself, it is, if he trigger entered itself, we are considering it as is action to true, and we'll come and will not, obviously will not destroy the queen. What we will do, we'll just update our queen status. Queen status in helper file, if you see queen status, we are updating to saved. Previously it was on the screen, you would have seen not saved, now it is saved. So in our big final condition, banana count 10, enemy count 10, life count 1, queen status saved. If all these conditions satisfy alone, we'll come and display our game over panel. I'll open my game over panel true, and countdown, I'll increment again the countdown, and the win text, positive text, and u1 green color, here banana, these and all these are count text. Okay, helper file I have shown you. Yeah, I'll just show the counter files if you don't mind. It's a canvas, right? Canvas, yeah. So our time text, count text. Okay, time on the right corner, win text, the middle one, you won or you failed things and all. Count text here, how much counts we have, I have shown, right? So those things and all we'll have, and we have buttons as well. On click events, we'll have that. Yeah, I have to show the on click events as well. On click events, on replay, I'll call the replay thing. Quit game buttons, hot rotate. Yeah, give me a minute. We also have sound audio source, which I have downloaded, and I will be attaching to whenever an audio clip. I have audio clip. So on eating banana, so banana has, I have said, see, this is a banana, this is our banana. We have a spear capsule collider. So when on triggering of this, everything is done, same as our enemy. Didn't I explain the capsule banana? Rotate and collider. So bananas will be rotating, our bananas are rotating 45 degrees. and on enter, triggering enter, I'm making it as disappear. This dot game object set disappear, and each source, that is our audio sound is played, and increment our banana count, and yeah, this is a logger, just a logger. So increment our banana count I'm making through the helper file of our player. So this is what's here, and we have audio as well, rigid body. Yep. So that is our banana. So next we have another enemy. This enemy is also box collider. I have shown you. So triggering is triggered. During that, everything is invoked, and we have our sounds and player objects for the script file. So the same way of our slime body, we have collider, and is trigger is there, and if you see the sound and player is there. Female also the same, is trigger is there, sound is there, and player is there. So these are the game objects we have. So canvas I have showed, sounds showed. We have this attached to Cinemation, Unity Cinemation we have. So it is attached to our player. This is our player. Oh, I didn't say the player thing. Okay, I'll say you. So in player I have my male character, and follow target. So follow target is here. So Cinemation will follow this target, so that we'll have always from top to down view. And our player, unluckily we are facing him from backside. See, this is our player. Yeah. Heart for life. Initially the time was just 15 seconds, 20 seconds, I think 30 seconds, I guess. Life, yeah, that is what our life is. So he has to capture this. This is also the same. If you see, it's a collider. What collider? Rigid body. It's capsule collider. So on getting triggered, if the player is on triggered enter, I think I have to explain. Yeah, that is what rotator collider, right? If it is enter, that is banana. Okay, hard rotator is here. Yeah, helper file, I'm incrementing the life as well, 1/1, if you see in the text. Okay, and I'm disappearing my heart once it is encountered, and we are making the sound. Okay, that is our heart. He has to catch the heart first in order to increment the time. And we have a countdown. So initially I have kept 30 seconds, I said, right? So starting time. So I'm updating, decrementing every time 1. If current time is lesser than 0, we'll have a time is up, game over scene. I'll show you that. Yeah, that's it. On the, yeah. So yeah, this is a time second, game over scene. And time over is a game over scenario. And what we have water. I have explained, right? So yeah, we have water, everything, shaders, animations, mini animations, everything, game over scenarios, everything I have explained. That's it. Okay, I'll show you the game over scenario with a different case. Yeah.